Okay, so we've ground down a little bit. This is where it goes down to a 16th. Yeah, it's kind of crazy how measurements go with this one. It goes down to all the way to 64th. So we're at 16th now when we were at an 8th. Let's keep grinding and see what we can do. Okay, now we're down to a 32nd. It's getting real close, guys. It's just a little line there that you'll see. And that's telling you you're just about there. Okay, now we have ground it down. There's no longer any ridge right here. So it is now flat. Surface is really nice. So with this original 100 grit sandpaper, you're going to be doing the shaping of the rock. So it's not needing to be real shiny yet at this point. You just want to get the shape out of it. That 100 grit is excellent for getting it. The water is supposed to look like this. If it looks clear still, you're not pressing hard enough. Press harder. Okay, so now that we've gotten the face of it, what we're going to do is we're going to start forming the top up here and the bottom. After we get there, we'll move on the sides, but we'll get to there in a minute. Okay, let's go and get the top and the bottom flattened out because of that ridge right there, and that ain't going to do for faceting. Okay, so we're going to take our top, press it straight down, grind it back and forth, do a little circle every now and then. Okay, we're starting to get that flat top that we want. I'm pretty happy with that. So let's start on the bottom now. As you can see, it's kind of angled at side angle. So try to place it straight down. There we go. That's kind of the shape you're looking for. Now notice on this side, it's kind of going off to the edge, slanting up. You want to flatten that out. So we're going to grind away a little bit more. Okay, so we're starting to see kind of a rounded bevel on the bottom. It's getting closer. And that's about what you're going to be looking for. So keep in mind that when you're hand faceting, it's not going to be as straight of lines as it would be if you used a facet machine. So you kind of just got to go with the natural shape of the rock. So it's important that you select the rock and get a vision for how you want to cut the gem before you start. Because if you start going by just what it looks like, and then you end up halfway through changing because it looks like something else, keep in mind what it is that you want. It's a good idea to draw down the shape when you look at a stone. Actually write it down on paper so you can visually look at it over and over again to refer back to it as the stone changes. All right, so we got our top and bottom. Now we're going to go for our sides. So this one has a little white chunk right here. We're going to kind of try to get rid of that one. This one doesn't really have a whole lot. It's kind of receding backwards into the stone. So that'll be really easy for us to flatten out.